Hey guys, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are right now. I am very happy today. I am with a great person that I had when back in Converges. This person is actually one of the pillars of Converges when I had there 2008, and she was awesome because she was one of the best producing team managers back then. Siya yung isa sa pinaka-top producing agent bago siya naging team leader. And I am very excited, very proud, very humbled to introduce to you Miss Audrey Martinez. Miss Audrey, hi, how are you? Kumusta po?
Iyan, salamat. Nakaka-overwhelm naman yung yung introduction mo. Ako lang to, sabi nga nila.
Hindi, totoo. Si Miss Odds when I was an agent in 2008, yung mga agents niya na nanggaling sa kanya at na-handle niya. My wife is her agent, and lahat ng dumadaang ahente sa kanya talagang hindi niya papalampasin na hindi top collector. So that's one great thing about Miss Audrey when we are in a corporate world. So, Miss Audrey, can you share with us like kumusta after we parted ways in Converges Ortigas? Where have you been? Ano nangyari?
Ayun. Sige, brief background lang ng corporate world journey ko. So I started 2005, so right after I graduated from UPLB as an agent for Encore. Tapos, yun, after 2 years, I became a team leader in Converges. So doon tayo nag-abot. That's 2007
2008.
hanggang 2011 actually. By 2011, I'm not sure kung kailan kayo umalis ni Lee eh. Pero by 2011, I got promoted to STL and relocated to Converges New Valley. So parang doon na tayo hiwalay ng landas. No? So, from 2011 naman up to 2013, so I was STL. 2013, I became program head na. Then by 2015, I became operations manager. So, from collections, napunta na ako sa telco by 2015. And then, by 2017, I gave birth to Ezra. And then by 2018, I gave up the corporate world to become a work at home. So, medyo lodi ko yan kayo ni Lee kasi nag-start kayo working at home. 2011 yata. Pero basta, na kayo 5 years na. Ano ba? Tapos, in 2018, I started my career with Sun Life as insurance advisor. And then by 2019, I got licensed naman as certified investment solicitor. So for mutual funds license.
Yun, oo, tama. So si Miss Odds is also a work from home mom right now. So from my question would be like from a big world of corporate world, Miss Odds, like ano yung nag-push sa'yo to be like to be a work from home mom and to make a big shift that you had in your career?
Isa lang naman talaga yung reason ko, si Ezra. Kasi nung pinanganak ko siya, parang ultimate dream ko kasi maging nanay talaga. Dahil parang I have this notion na hindi ako magiging nanay kasi alam mo yun, parang masyado akong I belong in a fast-paced world, parang gano'n. Tapos medyo malkita ako, gano'n. So hindi ako makakamit ng someone na kakayanin yung pagkamalkita ko, yung parang gano'n. So ang ano ko talaga is tita goals na dati pa. So parang dream at the back of my head talaga na maging nanay. So nung naging nanay ako, syempre, parang it puts some perspective on you then. Na parang, tama pa ba, can I balance being a manager with being a mom, gano'n. So, di ba, nanganak ako 2017, tapos nag-extend pa ako ng maternity leave, parang sa halip na, hindi ko na alam po, 78 days. Parang naging 120 days. Kasi talagang minax ko yung oras ko
With
with
Ezra.
Ezra. Tapos, parang yun, nung mga time na yun, napapaisip na ako kasi hindi ko talaga makita kung paano ko mababalance na I spend 8 to 12 hours in the office, tapos pag-uwi, di ba? So, pagod ka. So, parang nagplano na ako, nagko-contingency plan na ako noon. Tapos, nung trinay ko pa rin naman, tapos sinabi ko, God, kung saan mo ako gustong ilagay. Oo. Then, so be it. So, nakapunta pa ulit ako ng US, parang yun, to represent the program, parang gano'n. Tapos, nag-apply pa ako for a higher position. Kasi yun talaga yung parang nandun ako sa struggle stage na itutuloy ko ba yung career ko or gano'n. Kaso, nung medyo, si Ezra kasi medyo clingy. So, may mga time sobrang hirap na niyang iwanan na pag-aalis ako ng bahay. Pag maliligo ako, parang alam na niya na cue na maghihiwalay na kami. Parang gano'n.
Ang hirap
so, alam mo yan yung, So, parang magtataguan kami, ipapatago ko siya sa daddy niya, gano'n. Kasi parang hindi niya malaman na paalis na ako. Kaso, may pagka-bionic ears yung anak ko. So, parang alam niya talaga, pag aalis na ako. So, iyakan muna kami bago ako totally makaalis na magdadrive ako paalis ng village namin na naiyak ako. Tapos, naririnig ko in the background na naiyak din yung anak ko. So, alam mo yun, parang sobrang hirap. Tapos, pagdating mo ng office, yun yung dala-dala mo.
Yun yung struggle.
Tapos, i-continue mo yung work mo. Paano ka pa naman magpa-perform ng gano'n, di ba? Tapos, excited na umuwi. So, pagpatak ng alas 5, 8 hours na ako. Ayoko na. Tapos na yung ko. Gusto ko na umuwi. So, parang na-compromise na yung trabaho ko.
Pero,
masyado ko nang iniiwanan sa mga TLs ko na, kaya niyan, bahala na kayo dyan. Ganun. Kasi kailangan na ako ng anak ko. Tapos pagdating ko ng bahay, yung anak ko, makikita ko na sobrang saya na parang sasalubungin ka na, tuwan-tuwa siya, na parang walang nangyari na hindi kami nag-iyakan the day before. So parang talaga na yung guilt mo, and I salute all the other mothers who can do it. Pero kasi talaga, hindi ko talaga kinaya emotionally and psychologically siguro na ganun everyday yung scenario namin. Tapos parang yung puso ko, wala na sa trabaho ko. So parang sabi ko, teka, ano na to? Kailangan ko lang bigyan ng ultimatum yung sarili ko. So, end of 2018, parang kahit na it means na I'm giving up a large part of my life dahil I've been with Convergence for 13 years. So parang I have to start over talaga kasi na parang nako-compromise na yung nagagawa ko ring work para sa Convergence. And it's not fair for my team kasi I don't give them enough time na. And dun talaga sa performance ko, mediocre na ako. So alam mo yun, parang hindi na siya fulfilling for me.
True.
So parang sabi ko, sige, I have to step back na and give way. So I started over. So start ng 2019, back to scratch ako as an agent for work-at-home company.
Grabe, no?
Yan actually yung kwento ng work-at-home ko.
sobrang malaking factor kasi sa ating mga work-at-home, yung mga freelancers na nasa bahay tayo, nakikita natin yung anak natin, how they grow, how nasusubaybayan natin. It really breaks your heart kapag aalis ka ng bahay. Kaya talaga, sabi natin na we salute everybody or lahat ng tao na nagagawa yun. Talaga kasi that's one big struggle din na nangyari sa akin. Anyway, I'll be discussing this sa mga future vlogs ko. But then, yun nga, great move, great shift na nangyari. Kasi, syempre, very seldom nangyayari yan nung nasa corporate world ka, Miss Odsin, no? As top performing, team manager, tapos minsan alas 5, hindi ka pa talaga uuwi yan. 2 hours. Saka ka palang magra-run ng report and everything. So, talagang ibang-iba din yung call of...
Pick your poison talaga. So, parang yung kaya mong i-give up. So, parang kaya ko na siguro by that time dahil nakit ko na kumbaga yung ultimate goal ko. Sabi nila, ano ba, parang ginawa na kitang nanay, parang gano'n. Yan na yung pinakapangarap mo. So, alam mo yun, parang, kaya maluwag sa loob ko. Actually, hindi naman talaga maluwag, pero parang, I I chose to deal with it graciously. Kasi, parang, it's for my son, it's for my kid. Ayoko ma-miss yung milestones niya.
Yun
Parang
ang
gano'n.
pinaka-importante. Walang makakapalit
Oo.
dun eh. Walang makakapalit
Oo.
sa panahon na yayakapin ka ng anak mo, tapos sasabihin niya, Mommy, Daddy, thank you for staying with me. Lagi kong nararanasan yan kay Moraya. Thank you for working hard kahit nasa bahay ka lang. But at a very young age, nasasabi niya yung mga ganyan, which is very, very
Mm.
ibig sabihin you're doing the right thing, and I salute you for, lagi ko sinasabi kay Lizzie, Miss Odds, grabe yung shift na nangyari. Alam mo yun, yung being from a corporate world na busy, maingay, lahat nangyayari. And then, ang galing. Laging sabi ko,
biglang mag-isa mo lang sa bahay. Lang kausap, kuliglig lang.
True. So, with that, didiretso na ako sa tanong na lagi kong itatanong sa mga guests ko. Kasi bilang ikaw yung very first, I'm very humbled na ikaw yung very first guest sa podcast na ito. So, Miss Oz, can you tell me when did you first realize that you are a true servant leader?
So, yan talaga, process talaga yan. So, siguro, noong 2007, when I started to become a team leader. Kasi bago ako maging team leader, parang, pa lang, siguro 1 year pa lang ako, kasi di ba naging agent of the year ako. So, nung na-awardan ako, ng award na yan, parang sabi, ano ka na, mag-TL ka na, ganyan. Pero parang, ang challenge kasi sa akin nun is, do I really want it? Parang ganyan. Kasi,
Ba talagang yung gusto ko?
pag kumuha ka ng team, parang it's no longer just about you. Parang it's about the team na.
They are in the center stage, yeah.
So parang sabi ko, sige, pag-iisipan ko, ganun. Tapos I set targets for myself na parang inano ko siyang sign from God kung itutuloy ko. Kasi pinaprepare ko lagi yan kahit anong milestone. Parang, ikaw na bahala, Lord. Sige, kapag na-hit ko to, ibig sabihin, pinupush mo ako to actually go there. Parang ganun. So, parang bago ako nag-apply for TL, sabi ko, gusto ko muna maging top collector. Kasi hindi ako naging top collector eh. Number 2 lang ako, number 3, number 4, ganyan. 2, 3, 4, 5, ganyan. Hindi ako naging top collector. So sabi ko, pag naging top collector ako, siguro, sabi na ni Papa God, ready na ako. Kasi, I can lead by example. Na parang I can lead people to actually hit that goal kung gugustuhin nila. Parang gano'n, diba? So, nung naging top collector na ako, nag-apply na ako. December ako naging top collector. Tapos, nung nagkaroon ng opening ng March, nag-apply na ako. Tapos, yun, by the grace of God, nakuha akong team leader. I think that started my journey as a true servant leader. Kasi, parang you have to look at it as not a position to be obtained, rather, an opportunity to be of service talaga. Parang meron ka nang i-affect ng mga taon, yung buhay nila, parang ganun. So, ayun. Tapos from then on, parang yun na yung focus ko. Ang ano ko is, you have to pay it forward.
True.
Kasi parang, for me, my journey is not smooth. Parang ang dami ko talagang rough roads, ang daming struggles. Na syempre, hindi naman announced na yun eh. Kasi ang ina-announce na lang yung ano na yung na-achieve mo. True. Pero dami ko talagang mistakes and regrets na kung pwedeng balikan, uulitin ko if I'm given an opportunity. And the only reason why I survive along the way or nag-thrive ako is because I have people around me who gave me the opportunity. So yung mga boss ko, yan, si Sir Marks, si Sir CJ, si Randall. Yun, sa mga boss ko. Kasi they gave me opportunity. Kahit ang dami-dami ko ng errors, ang dami ko ng pagkakamali. Yan, si Miss E, yan, si Miss Taj. Yun yung mga, si Miss Lee, yan. So si Miss Lee pa nga kasi nag-continue pa ako sa kanya when I became an advisor. Kasi sa sobrang ganda ng example na sinet niya for me, parang I wanted to follow her footsteps, kumbaga. Parang so yun, so parang servant leadership for me is leading by example and then making sure na you also pave the way for others to actually go achieve their goals.
Actually, while you were saying that, kinikilabutan ako kasi totoo, nakita ko yung journey. I mean, my wife is your agent and talagang pinupursige niya, pinupush niya yung sarili niya kasi manager ka niya eh. Yung, kumbaga, ang galing mo daw mag-motivate. Lagi niyang
Hindi, magaling talaga si Lee.
Hindi. Ewan ko, pero lagi niyang kinukwento sa akin, ikaw daw talaga, iba ka daw talaga mag-motivate. Alam mo yun, yung parang, top collector ka na ha, ganyan. So, at in the end, talagang makukuha mo daw talaga yun. Yun talaga yung lagi niyang paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi sa akin kapag nagkukwentuhan. Kasi, being in a relationship na naming dalawa, meron kami kasing common stories na to tell eh. Yun nga, yung Converges days namin. So, yun lagi yung sinasabi niya paulit-ulit. Miss Odds, she's really leading by example. She's always there na iba siyang mag-motivate. And that's how we crafted nga itong very first na episode natin na ikaw talaga kasi ang dami-dami mong may i-share na realizations and ang dami mong may i-share na stories, positive stories. Through yung course ng journey talagang iba. So ano pa ba? So ngayon may nag-prompt, hindi ko alam baka mamatay ang Zoom ko or something. So anyways,
Only naman daw. It got upgraded. Unlimited.
Wow.
7.
Nice. Okay, so from that gusto ko yung sinabi mo, yung leading by example. Ganda nun. Napakaganda. It really struck me. So, from your journey there, let's go now. Let's talk about something that you are passionate about right now. Kasi our podcast here in Everything Virtual TV is about helping people, give them ideas. Yung staying at home kasi is a big shift din sa marami. Kasi we are accustomed to getting out of the house. Like ako, nung nag-shift ako, sabi ko parang hindi ko kaya. Parang being the head of the family, I need to be out there earning, yung alam mo yun, parang literal na earning money. Kailangan may health insurance kami, hindi pwedeng wala kaming card. Kasi anytime na magkasakit kami, baka anong gagawin namin, ganun. So I had this notion lagi, I had this idea lagi na hindi pwede, kailangan nag-work ako sa labas. So kaya ang tagal makumbinsi ako ni Lina to stay at home, and which is very rewarding, in which connected din siya sa topic na pag-uusapan natin ngayon is what happened right now. What being passionate about what you do right now. Kumusta? Ano ba ang pwede nating maitulong sa iba bilang you're doing the thing that you're passionate about, which is Sun Life.
Okay. So I started my first Sun Life plan ng 27. So ang nag-discuss sa akin si Miss Lee. So yun, dahil boss ko siya dati. Kasi ayaw ko pa dating kumuha sa kanya. Kasi sabi ko, extra gastos yan, parang gano'n. So, pero, nung na-discuss na po, parang I found the importance ng insurance. So, parang na-realize ko kung na parang I only have a specific number of years to actually work. And then, after retirement, parang sobrang tagal noon na hindi na ako kumikita. So, paano na ako noon? Kailangan naman i-wish ko na mamatay na ako before ako mag-turn ng 60. So, parang that realization actually prompted me to get my first policy with Sun Life. Tapos, naging appealing sa akin yung pagiging financial advisor kahit na mahina ako sa sales. Hindi ako magaling sa sales eh. Parang, feeling ko
Hindi
sa college ako, parang yung pinapag-take kami ng course, ng major, ayoko ng speech communication kasi ayoko na nagsasalita. So I chose writing kasi kumbaga parang I have the time,
pwede mong balikan.
Pwede kong balikan, tapos wala akong audience, parang gano'n, di ba? Pero yung kapag nagsasalita ka in front of people, parang may tendency na ako na mental block, parang guys, di ba, ko ano sasabihin ko. Tapos ako, kung ano masabi ko, uh, anong tawag doon, gibberish ba, kumbaga yung lumabas sa bibig ko. Tapos, nakakahiya, parang gano'n. So, parang, feeling ko talaga weakness ko talaga siya. Tapos tuwing haharap ako sa mga tao, talagang pinagpapawisan ako ng malagkit, parang gano'n. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. As I have this, high self-entitlement na parang, kung ayaw mo, di wag mo, bahala ka, kaya mo na yan, parang gano'n. So, pero kasi sa industry na to, you eat rejections for breakfast. Parang gano'n. Tapos, mag-scene zone ka by lunch. Tapos,
dinner.
madedecline ka by dinner. So, parang talagang...
May merienda pa yan.
Oo, may merienda ka. Yung merienda mo, unfriended ka na. Kasi, ayaw nilang pakinggan kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin. So, parang, yun talaga, you have to do it over and over again. And it builds character. So, that's what I like about it. So, parang...
Ang ganda nun. Parang tinuturuan kang maging patient.
Oo. So, ang daming values na makukuha mo kasi by being a financial advisor. Tapos, for me din, kasi getting an insurance doesn't just make me break the cycle of dependency na parang, kasi lumaki kasi ako na parang limited lang yung resources, parang ganun, hanggang college, parang ganun. Parang I have to get by with 1,000 pesos for 2 weeks, parang ganun. So, sobrang hirap talaga na nung pinagdaanan ko na ang tanging pangarap ko lang dati was to make sure na it doesn't happen again. Alam mo, ang moment ko talaga is nung graduating ako in college and hawak ko yung mga manuscripts ko. Nagpa-hardbound ako ng manuscripts.
Nakakakilabot, no?
Oo. Tapos, nung nagbayad na ako, parang medyo mahal kesa dun sa na-budget ko. Na ang natira na lang yung pera sa akin ay 350. 3 pesos and 50 centavos. Ha? So, naglalakad ako dahil ang na nun, mga 7 pesos na yung pamasahe sa amin noon sa LB. So, parang 350. Saan ako dadali ng 350? So, parang lalakad ako sa init ng araw. Tapos parang talaga yung hindi na ulit mauulit to. Oo, na mawawalan ako ng pera sa bulsa. Or yung magiging anak ko or yung yung family ko. Hindi na ulit mauulit. Na parang wala akong madudukot. So, parang yun yung naging advocacy ko na to actually make sure to share that experience na parang we have to be ready sa inevitable, sa uncertainty kasi we don't know what might happen. Tapos parang yung perang binibigay ko na naiipon ko sa life for insurance ko, it's actually being pulled para ibigay din sa isang family na nag-struggle financially because they lost a head of the family. So alam mo yan, parang kahit sobrang layo at sobrang nung concept na meron akong natulungan in a way, parang yun yung naiisip ko by getting an insurance myself. Kasi ganun yung concept niya eh. Parang siyang ipupul lahat ng pera ng mga policy holders, tapos kung sino yung magkaroon ng emergency, yun yung bibigyan.
True.
So di ba parang sinasave mo na yung family mo in the future kasi in-insure mo yung sarili mo. At the same time, at present, you're actually helping another family get by. True. And hindi ba mag-struggle with financial difficulties. So yun, so parang that's why I continue to eat rejections. And i-continue tong passion na to. Kasi I get to educate people on how important that is. Tapos parang pay it forward. Pay it forward lang.
Totoo naman. Kasi I agree. Sobrang nakaka-touch din yung sinabi mo na tuturuan ka talaga marami kang matututunan. Tuturuan ka talaga ng sitwasyon. Like, when you're there, maging patient, sumabay sa kung anong like, ngayon, pandemic, hindi ka na makalabas, paano ka magdi-discuss na matutulungan mo yung mga tao? Kasi that's the goal naman eh. even with us, even, yun nga, ako pa, napakamahiyain ko sa camera. Tingnan mo naman na very conscious. So,
diba?
Yun din talaga yung goal na kailangan, you have to do something para at least kahit paano, yung mga audience mo is matulungan mo. Anyways, medyo lumalayo ako sa topic. So, Miss Odds, I have few questions lang. Like, I have few questions before we go to what you think is the best opportunity for us to help our viewers right now. So, may question ako like, laging kasing may question at the back of the mind of the people like, okay naman yung trabaho ko, okay naman yung kita ko, kailangan ko pa ba talaga ng life insurance?
Siguro ang ano ko dyan is, life happens. So, kasi parang, parang pagkuha mo ng passport, kahit hindi ka pa naman lilipad somewhere.
True.
So, kukuha ka ng passport. Para din yan sa kotse, apat naman yung gulong ng kotse mo, bakit kailangan mo ng spare tire? Diba?
Galing.
So, kasi may concept ka na just in case an opportunity presents itself, then I can fly somewhere. Or just in case may tako akong madaanan, mabutas yung isang gulong ko, then I can change it.
Ano yung plan B?
Agad-agad. Oo. So parang it's always plan B to Z, hindi lang plan A lagi. So parang ang sinasabi ko is, yung job mo kasi is not permanent.
True.
So hindi ka rin si Cardo Dalisay na hindi ka tatanda or hindi ka magkakasakit. So parang while you're young and while you can still do it, you have to set aside something para in case something happens, then meron kang plan B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Hanggang Z.
So parang yan. Oo.
Kumbaga,
actually, I prepared, I'm sorry. Go.
Sige pa, go.
I prepared something lang na siguro mas magiging malinaw, kumbaga. Kaso disabled ang screen sharing.
Okay.
Ano naman ako?
Sure. I'll make you the host. Wait lang pa. Make host. Yes. Go. Oo, totoo yun. Yung parang may gulong ka na, parang, kailangan ba talaga na ready ka sa lahat ng mangyayari, di ba?
Oo, kasi hindi mo naman siya parang wini-wish. Pero kung mangyari man, then at least you're ready to actually do something about it. Parang ganun. Yan. So, this is actually my page. So, yung sentimental mom, kasi bukod sa napaka-senti kong tao.
Writer ka nga. By the way, guys, Miss Audrey is scholar ng bayan, kung hindi nyo alam. So,
kasi yan, medyo may pagkaano ko talaga. Yan. So, ito, feeling ko talaga, this is something na makakatulong sa audience mo. So, basically, it's the financial planning cycle na this is how you actually kahit hindi financial planning yan, kahit ano pa yan. Parang you start with understanding your needs and goals, then assessing your current states. Ano bang kailangan mong pag-aralan, ano kailangan mong matutunan, ganyan, diba? So parang kahit naghahanap ka ng trabaho, ganyan, yan yung stage 2. Stage 3 is, you have to prepare your resources. Yan, so create funds essential to your survival. Na parang, while you're actually trying to hit your goal, parang ito dapat ready ka, parang yan. Stage 4 is following it religiously, yung discipline, parang gano'n. So, dito, following a schedule and budgeting and sticking to it kasi hindi mo mahigit yung goal mo kapag kumbaga parang ano ka lang, hit or miss. Stage 5 is track it. So, make sure na nahigit mo yung yung according dun sa schedule mo, according dun sa budget mo, parang ganyan. So, yan. So, and then stage 6, yes. Stage 6 is just improving it day by day. So, meron actually tayo na cash flow. Ito yung scientific na parang dapat na sinusunod. Ang ano daw dito, ang formula dito is you have to set aside a percentage of what you're earning para hindi ka lumagpas. Kasi di ba parang masaya mag Shopee, parang gano'n. Salamat Shopee. Pero you have to also make sure na meron ka rin ibang mga portions na sinaset aside. So,
True.
ginawan ko ng acronym yung sentimental mom dahil ako yung senti. So, pero senti lang yan. Yan. C is for self-care. So, 10% on wants. Kasi syempre, like for me, ako gusto ko ng milk tea, gusto ko na, massage minsan.
Iba rin
Diba,
kasi yung lumalabas.
Kailangan i-reward mo rin yung sarili mo.
True.
Tapos, mahilig ako mag-travel. So yan, gusto ko yan. So, nagsaset aside ako ng a portion of my income for those little things.
Mm-hmm.
So, 10% on emergency fund na ang emergency fund mo daw dapat at least 6 months worth ng income mo or more, di ba? Pero at least on a monthly basis, you set aside 10% ng kita mo actually goes to emergency fund. So kung ang kita mo is 30,000 a month, then times 6 of that, that's 180,000. Yun dapat yung laman ng savings account mo, 180,000.
True.
Para just in case mawalan ka ng trabaho, may laban ka, kumbaga. The necessities is 60%. So, ito yung daily staples mo, ito yung expenses mo, food, water, utilities. Kasi hindi mo na talaga matatanggal yan. So, parang ang concept naman dito is 60% lang. Ito na dapat yung pinaka-maximum mo. Kung mas mababa pa dyan, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung income mo. Diba? At very good ka. You can set aside more percentages dun sa apat. Tapos yung, letter T is for tithes. So, it's always 10% for the Lord kasi He's giving it to you by grace. Nakukuha mo tong mga blessings sa Lord. And yeah, you have to make sure that you're giving back. Either sa church or sa community or whatever, basta you actually give back. Para hindi rin masakit sa puso mo. Alam mo, pag may nakita ka na nang hihingi ng donation, like yung mga jeepney drivers ngayon, diba? Parang, then it's okay for you to actually release it because extra money mo, kumbaga.
True.
And then, the last one is that would be 10% on savings for the future and the inevitable, or insurance and investment. So, para alam mo rin na merong pagpupuntahan, meron kang sineset aside na little portion ng hard-earned money mo para sa'yo.
Wow.
So, syempre, the full discussion of this actually goes into one-on-one na non-obligatory naman. Pero, this is actually a good formula to follow. Para sa mga nag-start pa lang na mag-financial planning.
Totoo.
Kasi ako, isa yun sa regret ko pala, Ian. Kasi nga, nanggaling ako dun sa stage na sobrang hirap. Parang I have to get by with little resources. So, nung nag-earn na ako, waldas talaga ako. So, it took me, 7 years before I started my first plan. It took me 5 years before I started my first investment. So parang, siguro dun sa mga millennials na, na audience mo, parang, it's a good eye-opener na you have to start early. You have to save more. And then you have to beat inflation. So kumbaga parang yun yung 3 goals na dapat in terms of
start early,
financial planning.
Start early, beat inflation. The other one is?
Save more.
Save more. Oo, kasi palagi ko yung sinasabi sa sarili ko, had I known these things, dapat bata pa lang sinimulan ko na. Diba?
Oo, diba? Kasi not everyone naman is actually insurable. Pag nagkaroon ka na ng mga sakit, hindi ka na makakakuha ng insurance. So might as well na habang bata ka pa and while you're still able and young, parang you make the most out of it. Kasi death is inevitable. It will happen. It will eventually happen.
Totoo.
So parang kailangan mo lang mag-prepare. Ayan pala. Yung last one is gonna be for the last question kasi.
Right. It's actually nakaka-inspire din talaga yung sinabi mo na yun nga yung mga pinanggalingan natin na bago natin matutunan ito. Kumbaga parang yung excellence is achieved kasi when there's no more to give Like yung mga pinagdaanan natin na ganyan, it only will struck us kapag nandun tayo sa sitwasyon, and it's really beautiful. Imagine na natututunan natin, ganito pala. ganito pala. Sana noon pa, alam ko kung paano ko.
Yes,
Oo.
true.
Kasi imaginein mo kung ikaw nag-start ka ng investment mo at the age of, after yung first job mo. So talagang,
Oo.
hindi ka. At
Mas
saka kasi,
mayaman pa tayo nun, no?
oo. Tapos, ang kagandahan kasi nito is like, yung natutunan ko is you are protecting your earnings eh. Yun yung pinakamaganda.
Yes.
While you're earning, ikaw mismo yung investment and you are protecting yourself. Tama.
Yes, that's correct. Tama.
Ikaw kasi yung investment while you're young, while you're working, while you're doing things na napaka, sorry, I'm being passionate with this. So, alam mo yun, yung habang bata ka, habang able ka, habang fresh ka with lots of knowledge, habang nandyan ka sa labas, doing things na para sa pamilya mo, you yourself is the investment and you are protecting
Yes.
yourself. So, yun yung napakagandang naintindihan ko
Yes.
rin.
So parang parang you are a well-oiled machine.
Oo.
Na it wears out in time.
Oo.
Pero ngayon na parang you can still produce, di ba? Parang dapat protektahan mo yun yung mga ini-insure, gano'n. Kasi kung biglang masira, ano na, sino nang mag-earn ng income for the family. So, yes, I agree 100% dun sa sinabi mo.
Oo, kasi unang-una magpasalamat tayo na hindi naman hindi natin for now, yung insurance kasi is papakinabangan natin kung may mangyayari sa atin. Magpasalamat tayo na walang masamang nangyayari sa atin, di ba?
True.
Oo.
Tama. Kasi yun yung actually isang dinedebunk namin na argument. Parang, pera ko yan eh. So,
bakit ka nasasayangan sa sarili mo? Oo.
Oo. So, parang pera ko yan, bakit ko ibibigay na makikinabang na lang? Pagpatay na ako. Parang ganun yung basic na
notion.
Argument. Pero, ang isipin mo kasi doon is, paano kung you live longer? Diba? But you became incapable of actually working or earning an income. Pero dahil pera mo to, hindi ka nag-set aside and na mag-ready for the future just in case. Oo. So, yun yung mga rin. Tapos, syempre, it works kapag head of the family ka or kapag anak ka, ganun. So, para din sa mga na mag-isa lang na parang hindi kaya na nila yan kasi insured naman sila or kaya na kasi may kinikita yung nanay at tatay nila. Lang ako, kumbaga parang outsider lang ako. So, alam mo yun, parang the concept is still, you have to set aside something now while you're able.
Totoo.
Before it's too late. So, parang parachute yan na kapag hindi nagbukas the first time, wala nang second time.
Totoo, wala nang chance ulit eh. Kasi for me, yung totoong purpose kasi nito is protecting you and your peace of mind. Yung tipong makakatulog ka ng mahimbing sa gabi, na kung ano man ang mangyayari sa'yo, may aasahan ka na may iiwan sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kasi ikaw yung head of the family eh. So,
yes.
Yun yung pinaka-importante din sa'yo. Tsaka yun nga, yung nasabi mo kanina about sa gulong ng kotse, so nasasayangan ka din ba sa binabayad mo sa car insurance mo? Siyempre hindi, di ba? Kasi yung mindset mo na secured ka, iba kasi yung may mindset of security eh. Iba, para sa akin.
Yes. Yes. Pwede ka nang maging financial advisor. Kukuhanin na kita. Pag naging manager, wait lang.
Yun nga. So gusto ko lang, bago tayo pumunta dun sa next stage natin, napapasarap yung kwentuhan natin, gusto ko lang i-emphasize sa mga viewers natin, to all of you guys there, sabi ko nga sa inyo, nung gumagawa ako, nung nagpa-plan out ako ng content is, we want to share these thoughts to you bilang mabuksan yung isip natin, maliwanagan tayo na ikaw bilang individual, lalo na kung breadwinner ka, head of the family, ikaw talaga dapat ang prenoprotektahan. Kasi, kailangan ikaw ang protektahan. Kasi, yung protection kasi na ibibigay mo sa sarili mo, hindi mo babayaran yun ng all the while nakasama mo ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, yun. Okay? right now, I want to give you the center stage, Miss Odds, to walk us through like ano bang meron sa Sun Life ngayon, ano bang maganda, ano bang like sa panahon ngayon ng pandemic, ang dami-dami nangyayari sa paligid, lahat nagka-cramming, natatakot, which is
Yes.
very like we are lucky enough that we are staying at home. Pero kasi, yun nga, gusto naming matutunan ano ba ang meron, ano ang maganda, at ano ang pwede nating ika-move forward. Take it away.
So, dito sa letter I, sa Senti Principle, kapag nakapag-set aside ka na ng 10% for insurance and investment, then you can move on and actually getting to know your options. So, I've actually prepared at least 3. And this actually applies kahit hindi pa yan Sun Life. So, kahit ibang insurance companies, it would be the same, basically the same. So we have the insurance plus investment. So medyo sikat to ngayon. So it's the variable unit linked insurance na parang a portion of your money actually goes to investment and being invested on stocks or bonds, parang ganun, para nag-earn siya. And then in the long run, because the outlook is long term, parang it will actually maximize compound interest. Diba? So sabi nga ni Albert Einstein, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who knows it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. So, parang snowball lang yan, na parang pag meron kang pera na naka-invest, the probability na mag-earn siya ng mas malaking interest kaysa natutulog yung pera mo nakalagay sa bangko or rather sa piggy bank, parang ganun, mas malaki yung possibility na mas mag-earn ka or mas kumita ka. And while you're sleeping, it's actually earning. So parang ang
passive
illustration
income.
Yes. Ang best illustration actually dun is kapag nagbibisikleta ka, yung kasama mo na invested yung pera niya, naka-Porsche. So both of you actually will get to the finish line eventually, diba? But it's just a matter of when and how fast or how soon can you go there.
And how convenient.
Yes, and how convenient, diba? Kasi nakabisikleta ka. Pero kailangan nyo nagbibisikleta talaga para may exercise yan. So, we have the insurance plus investment. And then, there's also the health insurance kasi nga katulad na sinabi mo, you have to protect yourself dahil you are the best investment. You're the money generator, kumbaga. So, kapag may nangyari sa'yo, everything stops eh. Diba? Pag nagkasakit ka na sa ospital ka, walang mag-work for you. So, good for you kung naka-leave with pay ka, pero paano pag naubos na yun? So, tapos yung hard-earned money mo na parang sinet aside mo sana, pampunta mo ng Australia or ng Paris, parang you have to pay the hospital for the bills, for the surgery, and everything, which will drain you talaga.
Totoo.
So,
magkano na ang hospitalization pagdating ng araw, di ba?
Tama. So parang, ang ano pa nun, ang pinaka, dapat at least na magising ka, is to the reality na most of the people who get sick actually don't die because they're just sick. They die kasi yung emotional stress na mag-iwan sila ng napakalaking utang or hindi nila afford na mabayaran yung surgery. So, hindi na lang. Di ba? Parang, you have to have options. There's always a need for plan B, C, D, E, F, G. So, kaya importante ang health insurance. So, yung health insurance ng Sun Life, it offers up to 100 years old coverage.
200?
So, good jobs, 100 years old na.
Sorry.
So ano mo yun, 100 years old, parang pwede ka nang tumambling-tumbling kahit at 88 years old, you're still covered. Kumbaga, parang gano'n. Parang 114 illnesses din yung covered niya, both major and minor. Tapos may ano rin siya, may specific cancers na coverage. May possibility din na kung talagang si cardiodalisay ka, may dugo ka niya, may dugo ka ni Superman, at hindi ka talaga magkakasakit, then the possibility to actually earn dividends and get paid up bonus uh, is there. Mas pag hindi mo nagamit yung perang you set aside for your health insurance. And then the last one is insurance with savings. So ito naman is pag gusto mo ng talagang money for life. Kasi may 8% na endowment benefit siya na starting on the 6th year and every year after. So as long as buhay ka, as long as humihinga ka,
May
parang
income
you
ka.
get, yes, you get a percentage of your guaranteed income ba.
Totoo.
Tapos, yes. And then, up to 100 years then yung coverage nito. And then, flexible payments. You choose kung 5 years or 10 years, depende sa'yo. And then, after that, wala ka nang babayaran. Parang kukuha ka na lang ng kukuha ng income ba, kumbaga. So, at least these three, marami pa yan actually kasi the naman of insurance companies is to actually customize a plan that's suitable to your needs. And then also, yung kaya talaga ng budget mo. Kasi what we don't want naman is for your policy to lapse. So parang may questionnaire pa nga nasasagutan ka with Sun Life asking you how much of your current income is being set aside. How much percentage is being set aside for this plan. Kasi parang we are not here to actually budol you. Di ba? Or budkutan ka ng pera mo. We're here to actually make sure na a portion of your income is actually set aside.
Right.
Para maging protected ka for your peace of mind. And para nga, secured ka, kumbaga, to face whatever challenges pa na i-represent ng buhay mo.
True.
Parang ganun.
Well said, Miss Odds, tama. Kasi, totoo naman yun. Kasi before, di ba, we have this notion na, pag insurance, parang iba, parang naiisip natin lagi, yung cap. Ano nangyari sa cap? Ganito, ganyan. Iba na kasi, parang yung insurance ngayon is hindi na lang siya, investment na rin siya, health na rin siya. Kumbaga, all in one. Di ba? Protected ka talaga.
May bumabalik ng pera kumbaga sa'yo kung ang issue mo is parang wala namang bumabalik na pera, ang lakas-lakas ko. Diba? Parang
able ako.
Ni Samson. Parang ganyan. So ngayon, especially now na it's global pandemic, hindi mo alam kung sino yung kalaban mo, the virus is there.
The virus is there.
We are being asked to stay at home kasi nga paglabas mo, prone ka to actually get the virus. And depende na sa immunity mo kung gaano kakalakas para malabanan mo siya. So, it's better to be protected talaga during these times.
Wow. Totoo po yan. Yep. So, we have these final sentence tips of yours?
Yes. So, yun. So, dahil mahilig talaga ako sa acronyms, yan. Ginawa ko na acronym pa rin yung senti.
Writer ka talaga yan, Miss Odds.
Oo. Mahilig ako sa mga ganyang kalokohan, no? Napansin mo? Yan. So, create a plan. Stick to the plan. Then, excuse yourself from excuses. Kasi I have clients na parang they're paying for a house, they're paying for an education plan, they're paying for their insurance, but they get by. So, parang ang i-give up mo lang naman is yung luxuries na unnecessary. Hindi naman hinihingi na i-give up na huwag ka nang bumili ng food pang araw-araw o kaya 2 beses ka nila kumain sa isang araw. Hindi naman. It's really just mag-budget ka, check your budget, and check if you can set aside a portion of your money for this. Kahit gaano pa yan kaliit, basta pag naipon yan and you start today, it's gonna grow big and it's gonna give you better peace of mind. Yeah. Tapos, N is never giving up on your goals, syempre. Kasi may tendency tayo na maging minus sugo na parang, umpisa lang. Yan, 1 year, 2 years mo lang siya babayaran. Tapos 3, 4, 5, 6, ayaw ko nang bayaran kasi ang dami-dami ko nang binabayaran. So no, don't give up on it. Parang pag sinimulan mo, tapusin mo. You have to have that discipline nga. Then talk to someone who can help you achieve your goals. So whether it's a financial advisor, a mentor, someone you respect, a blog perhaps, self-help books. So kahit ano pa yan, get an advice, get a professional advice or opinion. Libre lang yon, libre lang. And then, I is implement your plan. So kung nakinig ka ngayon, perhaps God is actually telling you to listen to it and open your mind and start now. And then, talk to somebody about it. Kaya libre lang nga na makapag-usap to a financial advisor. It still depends on you. Pwede kang mamalengke kung sino gusto mo.
True.
So, ang importante is you actually start and you do it for yourself, not for anybody else.
Agree. You do it for yourself. Kasi yun nga, babalik na naman ako kasi ikaw ang investment.
True. You're the investment. Yun ang ano natin ngayon. Keyword for the day.
Oo. So we've learned a lot. Yun nga, guys. Thank you so much for listening with us, for sitting with us. Miss Odds, you gave us a lot of insights and yun nga, very timely na makatulong tayo to let them know ano ba ito, maganda ba. Ibig sabihin, lalo na sa panahon ngayon ng pandemic. So, you guys, if you have questions, I will link or I will loop everything that you will need, especially Miss Audrey's contact number sa description box na nandito sa baba. And for everything, if you have any questions, you can reach out to her directly. And she's willing to answer a lot of your questions there in mind. So, Miss Odds, saan ka ba namin makikita? Saan ka ba namin mahanap?
Sa bahay. Sa takot ako lumabas. Yeah, pero I'm in FB, I'm in IG. I have a page, Sentimental Mom, actually siya. Pero Facebook is not allowing me to change my name. So, currently, extraordinary pa rin siya. So, siguro, doon na lang sa link na para mas madali nilang mahanap. Pero they can look for me. My name is Audrey Martinez. Libre lang po na mga pag-uusap. Okay lang yan. I actually help people out, hindi lang sa financial planning. Recruitment agency na rin po ako. Joke lang. Yeah. Pero, ayun nga, kasi my motto is really pay it forward. So, just share what I know. And then it's up to you if you think it's helpful for you or if you think you find value in it.
Right. Well said. Thank you, Miss Odds, for all of your insights. And again, from the bottom of my heart, the team's, ano dito. Thank you so much for being our first ever podcast guest. And for sure, this is really monumental for us. For sure, matatandaan namin ito. And thank you so much from Everything Virtual TV.
Ako rin, thank you, Ian. Sobrang salamat. For the kind words, for making me your first guest. So sana may natutunan talaga yung audience mo. And then congratulations for this kasi this is a milestone for you. Nadagdagan na naman yung list ko kumbaga kung bakit bilib na bilib ako sa inyo nilin.
Thank you.
Dami yung bine-venture. So yun, congratulations. Subaybayan natin yung mga next mong
yung mga next videos. We will be featuring again people na talagang tutulungan tayo to give us great insights how to do things. Even if siguro one of the things na kinatatakutan ng mga content creator yung wala ka nang maisip. So, but we will make sure na we will be here for you guys. So just continue to watch and everything will be, everything is just there. So, yep. Thank you, Miss Audrey. Hold on once.